Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to study the notes, summary, question answers of class 8 English, The Swan and the Princess. First main, answer the following questions and share your responses with your partner. What was the complaint of Devadatta against Prince Siddhartha? Answer. Devadatta complained against Prince Siddhartha that he had taken the swan which Devadatta shot down. Why did Siddhartha claim that the swan was his? Answer. Siddhartha claimed that the swan was his because he saved and protected its life. How did the bird react to Devadatta's call? Answer. When Devadatta called the bird, it trembled with fear and cried. What did Siddhartha say to the swan? What did the bird do? Answer. Siddhartha said, Dear swan, don't be afraid. He had come to it and it can go and sit on his arms. The swan at once flew onto Siddhartha's arms. What made Devadatta and Siddhartha approach the king? Answer. Devadatta shot a swan. It fell down. It was badly wounded. Siddhartha picked it up and nursed it. Devadatta asked Siddhartha to give the swan to him. Siddhartha refused to give it back. Both of them went to the king for justice. How did each of them defend their actions? Answer. Devadatta said that he had shot the swan and it belonged to him as per the Kshatriya rules. Siddhartha said that he had saved the bird's life and protected it. He also said that a Kshatriya should not give up a suppliant who seeks his protection. So the swan was rightfully his. How did the chief minister resolve the dispute in the end? Answer. The chief minister told Siddhartha to keep the swan on a stool. He asked Devadatta to call the bird to him. Devadatta called out to the bird. The bird trembled with fear and cried out. It did not go to him. The chief minister asked Siddhartha to call the bird. Siddhartha went near the bird. He lovingly told the bird not to be afraid of him and asked it to sit on his arms. The swan flew into his arms immediately. The chief minister said that the swan itself had solved the dispute. It had chosen its protector and not the person who had tried to kill it. Next main, put the following events in the order in which they occur in the play and write them in a paragraph. So these are all the sentences which we need to put in the order. The order is Devadatta shot an arrow at the bird. Siddhartha nursed the bird with great care. Devadatta appealed to the king for justice. Devadatta called the swan to him. Devadatta called the swan lovingly. The swan flew onto Siddhartha's arm. Next, after the swan had been saved by Siddhartha, it was very happy and wanted to thank the prince. Write an imaginary dialogue between the swan and Prince Siddhartha. The beginning of the dialogue has been given. Swan. Dear Siddhartha, I want to talk to you. Prince. Yes, my dear, what's it? Tell me, don't fear anyone. Swan. Dear Prince, it's only because of your kindness I am still alive today. Prince. Why are you crying? Swan. Imagine what would have happened to me with Devadatta. Prince. Don't you think it was your luck? Swan. Yes, I was fortunate enough to fall near you. Prince. I was also fortunate to save you. The swan. Next main. Some definitions are given below. Substitute each of them with a single word using prefix given above. One example is given for you. One's own signature, autograph. Place of living organism, biosphere. More than one purpose, multi-purpose. Effective against bacteria, antibiotic. Half of the earth's surface, hemisphere. True, not fiction, non-fiction. Between nations, international. To wash before, pre-wash. Very small, not visible to the naked eye, microscopic. Next, use a correct ending with the word below to complete the sentence. Example, Ashwin was awakened with a feeling of excitement. It was a glorious day, not cloudy at all. His teacher, Mr. Pradeep, had a guest speaker on that morning. Mr. Anil Kumar, the speaker, was an of the machine and so was famous throughout the world. By the continuous study of magnetism and its force, he was able to develop a device to generate heat using the sun rays. Next main, add one letter and make a new word Y to mean the word given in the bracket. Wonder, surprise. Complain, express dissatisfaction. Strange, unusual. Save, protect. Arms, parts of the body. Belong, possess. Next main, fill in the blanks with the given words using the suffixes full or less appropriately. Example, care. Mohan usually drives on the right side of the road. He is careless driver. The teacher is very careful while crossing the road. She looks to her right and left and always uses the zebra crossing. Number 2, cheer. Hari's father died just a few days before Diwali. It was a cheerless Diwali for Hari. My friend has many problems. He has to support a large family, but he is always smiling. He is a cheerful person. Thought. I was very ill. My neighbor called a doctor. It was very thoughtful of him. Most young people live in the present. They are often thoughtless about the future. Power. A boy picked a quarrel with a boxer. The boxer lost his temper and gave a powerful blow. I was going for a walk with my friend. Suddenly, a robber pounced on me and held my arms from behind. I felt totally powerless. Next main, so far you have been able to identify 12 vowel sounds. Some words are given below, pronounce them and write them in the respective columns. Note that some words have more than one vowel. For such words, a particular vowel is underlined. Put them in the right columns. Words shoe, cap, plus, manage, whose, fruit, brother, them, mud, spent, above, flat, burn, push, o'er, pass, scatter, ease, check, hut, pus, devil, art, salt, mint, board, mass, fish, shock, vast, lock. Next main, think of appropriate requests in this situation. You have missed the last bus to your house. Request a friend. Nagaraj, I am afraid I missed the last bus of my house. Will you please kindly drop me home? You are bored watching TV. Request your mother. Mom, can I go out and play cricket? I think I am bored sitting here and just watching TV. Your scooter won't start. Request the mechanic. Sir, I think there is some problem with my scooter. Could you please check it up and repair it as I have to attend to an urgent work. Next main, the following tables gives the minimum and the maximum temperature of the some cities during summer. Read it and complete the sentences given below. Bengaluru is the closest city. Delhi is hotter than Mumbai and Bengaluru. Ahmedabad is the hottest city in India. Mumbai is cooler than Delhi and Ahmedabad. Next, fill in the blanks using the appropriate prepositions from the table. Shantigrama is a small village in Chikmagaluru district. There lives a boy Namit. He is studying in 8th standard. He is very punctual. Every day he gets up early in the morning. His school is 3 kilometers away from his village, so he leaves his home at 8:30 a.m. He goes to school on foot. He always reaches school in time. Namit participates in all the school activities. He listens attentively, recites poems, solves math sums, plays games, and draws beautiful pictures. His classes usually close at 4 p.m., but he stays in the school till 5 p.m. After the classes, he sits under a tree with his friends and practices music for an hour. He leaves the school campus at 5 o'clock and reaches home around 5 p.m. He refreshes himself and plays with his friends for an hour. He studies for 2 hours and watching the news on the TV. After supper, he goes for a walk. At 10 p.m., he goes to the bed. Next main, study the map key given carefully and complete the sentences using appropriate prepositions. So this is the map key. Vidhana Saudha is in Bengaluru in Karnataka. Sri Lanka lies to the south of India. The Tropic of Cancer divides India into two equal halves. 82.5-degree east longitude passes through Allahabad in Uttar Pradesh. Delhi is on the banks of the river Yamuna. The Pak Strait and the Mannar Bay separates India from Sri Lanka. Madhya Pradesh lies between Maharashtra and Rajasthan. KRS has been constructed across river Kaveri. There are many natural harbors along the western coasts. Fill in the blanks with the appropriate prepositions. Preposition is needed, leave the space blank. It Apurva felt Dinesh was right. She could agree with him. The economy of India is based on farming. What time does the bus arrive at Mangalore? I wish you would stop shouting at us angrily. Kumar is down here, she said in a loud voice. People differ from one another in their ability to handle stress. Amulya applied for a job with the local newspaper. Has Harish replied to your letter yet? Apologize for losing my temper. Do you believe in God? Next main, complete the following letter supposedly written by Harishchandra to King Akbar telling that he is innocent. Use the clues given below. Dear sir, I feel I am punished for no mistake of mine. You want to excuse me because I have an unlucky face, but I feel it is not fair. What will my wife and my children do without me? What wrong have I done? I say I am innocent. I beg for your mercy and request you to free me. Yours truly, Hirachand. Next main. Imagine that you are Parvati C. O. Shri Gunashekhara, door number 131, Temple Road, Garur. Write a letter to your father requesting him to send rupees 600 using the clues given below. So first you need to write date on the right side of the letter and the place, that is Garur, 10 January 2018. To Shri Somashekhara, door number 131, Temple Road, Garur. My loving Papa, how are you, Papa? I am fine and hoping the same from you. I am studying well. Today I got the test marks. This time I scored 90 marks in maths and in other subjects as usual. Kannada and Hindi subjects marks are not yet announced. I hope that I get cent person in that two subjects. In science I got 96 and in social 98. Our school has arranged an excursion to Mysore, Nagarahole, Bandipur, etc. It is a 2-day trip. It is scheduled on 28th and 29th of this month. Within 20th, we should confirm our attendance by paying rupees 600. If you and mom permit me to go, I will feel happy. I am interested to go because this is the last year and my friends are forcing me to join them. Please give your permission and send rupees 600 within time. Convey my best regards to mom and Putta. I am waiting your reply soon. Your loving daughter Parvati. Next, another one letter is here. Imagine that you are Ramappa studying in 8th standard government high school, Tammadithai. Write a letter to your class teacher requesting him for grant of leave using the points given below. So the right side you are going to write your name, your class, your school and the date. On the left side you are going to write the class teacher, 8th standard government high school, Tammadihalli. Respected sir, subject request for grant of 5 days leave. I am Ramappa of 8th standard studying in your school. I am suffering from viral fever and throat infection. Our doctor is treating me and has suggested me to take 5 days leave because it is epidemic. I have attached the doctor's certificate. My friends have promised me to help in notes writing. After my recovery, definitely I will study well. Please grant me leave. Thanking you, sir. Your obedient student, Ramappa, 8th standard. So then These are all the additional question and answers. If you want these question and answers to be added in your notes, kindly take the screenshots and write it down. Here are the answer the following questions. Also, we have multiple choice questions where 4 alternative questions are given. In that, you need to choose and write the correct answer. These are the additional question answers apart from the textbook. At the last, here we have the summary of the lesson The Swan and the Princess. Suddhodana was the king of Kapilavastu, Siddhartha was his son and the prince of Kapilavastu. Devdatta was Siddhartha's cousin. Once Siddhartha and Devdatta were playing in the garden. Devdatta shot a swan and it fell on ground. Siddhartha saw this and washed its wound, applied medicine and saved its life. After that, the two boys quarreled over whom the swan belongs to. Each one claimed that the swan's ownership. Devdutt claimed that the swan belonged to him as he had shot it down. But Siddhartha claimed that the swan belonged to him as he had saved its life. They could not decide the ownership of the swan. So, Devdutt came to Suddhodana's court to get justice and explain the matter. The king called Siddhartha and asked about the matter. Devdutt claimed that the swan because he shot it, and Siddhartha argued that the swan belongs to him because he protected and saved its life. Both were correct. How to give judgment? So the king asked the help of his chief minister. The chief minister thought a plan and said to both the boys, the swan will decide the case. First, they put the swan on the stool and Devdatta was asked to call the swan. He did it, but the swan trembled and cried with fear. Next, Siddhartha went near the swan and consoled it and said it need not fear. Then the swan flew up and sat on his arms. The chief minister said to king that swan has decided the case. All accepted the judgment and the swan belonged to Prince Siddhartha. So this is all about the lesson class 8 English, The Swan and the Princess.